right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another special edition of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where usually things are spicy, and today they're not. This is a taste test and full ingestion of the new Cup Noodles breakfast. This is something special. This is, let's see, artificially flavored as maple syrup, pancakes, sausage, and egg. So it's a play on breakfast. 380 calories, and you microwave it for 4 minutes, and then you put in room temp water. That's very important. Microwave it for 4 minutes. Let it sit for 1 more minute in the microwave. Stir it up, and you're done. And here's what it looks like. I've added nothing to it. However, this one that I'm doing today came out of a press kit that had 1 cup, but it also came with a couple of interesting things that I will add during the mukbang. First off, it comes with maple syrup. And a buddy of mine who has already tried it said, the maple syrup flavor that is in this, it's just not enough. And he was like, I immediately wanted to put maple syrup on mine. He did. He said it was like wonderful. It's good. And they also sent me this, and this is their hot sauce. I don't think this is stuff that they actually make themselves. This is just like private labeled for them. So, well, it is spring break and my children are here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Mimi.
And this is
Mouse Wanish.
And they're here to help me with a ready, set, go. But Mimi's going to actually take part in this. She really wants to try it. I wanted to let this cool down a little bit first, but I will give the initial bite of the breakfast flavored cup noodles. So can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
You want to try it?
Yeah. How did you try it before?
I've never tried this before, buddy.
You tried it before afternoon.
What kind of flavor do you get from that?
I don't know what the flavor was, but it tasted good.
Yeah? Do you want to try it?
No.
No!
It tastes like... You haven't tasted it.
You haven't tasted it.
No.
There's a piece of pancake. That's not bad. The pancake's pretty good. I think that might be sausage or pancake. I did what it told me to do.
For me, it tasted like sausage.
Maybe
it's sausage and pancake.
Interesting. All right, thanks, guys. Go play, and I will continue because I'm going to add some hot sauce and some other stuff. So,
Be right back.
but it looks like approval from Mimi. She seemed to like it. You know, my initial flavor I'm getting from this. Is chicken. I am not getting this whole breakfast kind of thing that they're espousing with this. It's not bad. All right. So now we're going to try it with a little of their supplied maple syrup, which I think is probably... I think this is an artificial maple syrup. I can't really tell. There's that. Here's a shot of what I'm looking at. There's a little maple syrup on that portion. That definitely gives it more of the sweetness. That's for sure. I'm very much loath to open up this hot sauce because this is such a neat little collectible, but you know, I'm going the extra mile for you guys. I used to review instant noodles and what am I saying? I used to review hot sauce, and I had a huge collection of hot sauces from around the world that I'd tried. I've tried over 200 varieties of them, and yeah, so this would have definitely gone on the shelf. I had some weird ones too. I had like a, what was it, like Microsoft Windows Mobile hot sauce. I had a Comcast hot sauce. These were like from special little events that they did. This sucker, this shrink wrap, I gotta say, it does not want to let go. Usually they've got a little perf on them, but this one does not. Come on. Come on, Super Bassomatic. There we go. Alright. Whoa. I think that might be a habanero hot sauce. We'll add some right. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of thickness to it. I don't know how well this will work with it, but we'll see. It's worth a shot. Cheers. Ooh. That's some serious hot sauce too. Yeah, that's a habanero one. That reminds me of like, I wonder if that's from Captain Foods. There was a company out of Florida that did a lot of private label. I think they were called Captain Foods. If it was, hello Captain Foods. I haven't talked to you guys in years. Personally, I don't like the hot sauce with it so much, but I do like the syrup. I think that works really well. So let's try some more of that. I don't know though, I'm just not getting that whole, I'm just not getting the whole breakfast thing unless I put the syrup on it. The sausage is pretty good. But I gotta say, I definitely liked the pumpkin spice a lot better. That one was just like screaming pumpkin spice flavor. This one, with the sauce on it, it reminds me of that breakfast sandwich that one of the quick serve restaurants used to have. They might still have it too. Yeah, look at all the I think this is interesting, and I like it. But without the syrup, I'm getting just a straight up like chicken noodle. That doesn't seem right. I'll have to look closely at the ingredients and see what's going on here. Done. So my thoughts on this, it's I hate to say it, but it's not at all what I expected. I expected more breakfastiness, and it really comes across as a cup noodle stir-fried chicken flavor with a couple things in it. And yeah, it's not giving me that same whoa as the pumpkin spice one did. But this really is interesting. Yeah, I liked it though. If you're wondering what kind of score I'll give this one, I'd probably give this a 3.5 out of 5. It's good. I really think that the inclusion of bits of pancake in it is very fascinating. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to ruminate on this. This is going to rack my brain a bit. It's different. It's interesting. Yeah. If you see it, it's $1.18 at Walmart. Don't buy it online for $9.40 some odd cents. That's criminal. It's like I'm like soaking in my whole system is like going. All right, well, that's it for me for today. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mouse Lennish.
and this has been
Mimi Lennish.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.